This is TJ, the Backpack Trader, and I'm recording a video to show this morning's session. It's Monday. Crude oil session starts at 8:50, and we just did a training the other day where we got into detail about stop and reversals. Always makes everyone uncomfortable, but it happens, and you need to have an approach. And just as the doctor ordered, of course, today's session did involve a stop and reversal, and it actually led to a winning session. So let me walk you through it. Let's go through this and discuss this in detail. So the first trade, of course, we're looking to start trading at 8:50, and there was a setup here at 8:43. So we wait until 8:50, and then we can get in sync and get into that trade, which actually happened 2 bars later. Literally took 5 minutes for these 2 bars to form. Kind of a slow session to start, or at least this period of it was. But it did come in, it got short, and then it pushed straight on down, hit the money management level. The stop moved down to break even. It hit the trailing stop, our second money management level. So the stop started to trail, and it missed its full target objective by 2 ticks, which was, we all hate it when that happens, but that's why we have a stop loss. It came up, stopped out for partial profit. But the trade plan says to hit target 2, or at least get within 1 tick of hitting target 2. I guess it depends on one's trade plan. I always like to give the strategy the benefit of the doubt. If it misses a target by 1 tick, it's pretty darn accurate. I feel like I've earned the right to achieve my power of quitting at that point, but it didn't. It missed by 2 ticks. Came down to 08, trying to get to 06. So that led to this long trade here, and that one triggered in. Pretty straightforward. Went straight up, and it also missed its target by 2 ticks. Not the profit target, but the money management target. So the stop couldn't move up to break even, and instead there was a stop and reversal. So what do we do with the stop and reversal? Instead of reversing right here at the entry, we're going to go down 2 more ticks because I want to try to stay in the long trade. That's what my preference would be. And I want to ask for 2 additional ticks just to show that the sellers have enough power to push this market down a little further, and in which case you have to, at least the way I look at it, I have to jump ship and get short. I have to follow my trade setups. That's what the trade plan says to do. There's a reason I'm trading this trade plan. I don't want to second guess it. So it does actually get short, and it pushes down, and it also misses the target one again, the money management target, by 2 ticks again. It's just one of those mornings. Welcome to Monday, I guess. And then it starts pushing higher, and our cloud control prevented a long trade, kept us short. The stop was well placed, came up, found resistance, pushed its way back down, and then it finally decided to break to new lows. Finally, it hit the target 1, and this is why we don't move our stop prematurely. We have to let the trade play out. Now remember, when we were in this long trade, the stop was way down here. We were able to cut what would have been a full loss, as you can see, to a very small partial loss, just between here to here, basically. We saved all this. That's the good thing about a stop and reversal. So then it pushed down, it hit target 2, pushed a little further, hit target 3, and then stopped out here at the trailer. I like to trade to targets 2, 3, and 4. That's the trade plan I personally like. So I was able to pick up target 2, target 3, stop out with the trailer, and that was it. Trade plan accomplished in 3 trades, power of quitting. It's a winning session. Can't always get it right. Not every trade's going to win, but it makes a lot of sense when you can get out of a losing trade with a much smaller loss than a full loss. So stop and reversals shouldn't be feared. You just have to have a way to deal with them. You're never going to be perfect. Nothing's going to work 100% of the time. What's important is that you can quit your session with a winning result most of the time and move your account forward on a steady basis, taking what the market wants to give you. 3 trades, power of quitting, done for the day. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about cloud control, send me an email, troy@backpacktrader.com, and I'll see you on the next video.